My home theater setup is coming along, fellas. Projector, check. Soundbar, check. And now we got the projector screen. This is the Cloud Mountain 100-inch projector screen. But is it even worth it? Or do you need to keep looking? Let's find out. What's good, people? I'm Yeti Machete. Teching ain't easy. I'm here to help. So, the Cloud Mountain 100-inch projector screen came in a well-protected packaged box. Now, this projector screen is great if you don't want to mount anything to the walls or ceilings, or if you plan on having like movie nights, let's say outside, and you're going to be bringing it in and out. Since this is a floor standing projector, it's extremely quick and easy to set up and take down. Just flip out the legs, rotate the screen, flip the handle to adjust the height, pull out the screen and attach the latch to the hook up top, and bam, you're good to go. You know, it's really that easy. And that's why I said, you know, if you don't have a permanent spot for your projector and you plan on moving rooms a lot or, you know, having movie nights outside, then I think this is a fantastic choice. The build quality is great here. Everything is made out of aluminum, and I wasn't worried about this thing tipping over and falling even outside with a bit of wind. Now, not all is perfect here though. There is some slight waves in the screen itself, which is noticeable when the room has a bit of light, but when the lights are off and, you know, you're watching a movie, it's really not noticeable. Now, before I got this, I was just using a white wall to watch movies, and while I thought it looked fine, I wanted to step up my game. Now, I didn't think a screen would make a big difference with the image quality, but damn, man, for me, the difference was night and day. Now, like I said, my walls have a slight texture on them, and, you know, I don't know how well the camera is picking this up, but it looks miles better on this screen. Not only do the colors have more life to them, but the picture is more vivid, the picture looks sharper. You know, I really did not think a projector screen would make this much of a difference, but I'm glad I bit the bullet and got this one because this makes movie nights much more enjoyable. Now, for a projector screen under $80, this is fantastic. However, for me personally, I'm gonna keep looking for another one that I can mount, you know, on my wall for a more permanent, you know, cleaner looking solution. Now, if you're looking for something that works out of the box, is extremely easy to set up, and you don't want to spend a whole lot of cash, then I really think this is a great option here, especially at that $80 price point, or actually I think it might be $70. Anyway, I definitely plan on keeping this one stored away in the closet for when we want to have movie nights outside. I can just, you know, take it, bring it out there. As usual, if you guys want to pick this up, I'll drop a link in the dink for you. Now, that's going to wrap up the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, you already know what to do. Smack that like button. If you haven't yet, definitely check out some of my other content. Consider subscribing. I would appreciate it greatly. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.